Before you start your next business project, you need to watch this video because the era of spending weeks building websites or hiring expensive developers is officially over. Because in just 20 minutes, I built this handyman booking app completely no code using GoDaddy Airo AI Builder at Airo.ai. So today I'm testing something that feels like a total cheat code for entrepreneurs because I'm going to show you how to go from a simple idea to a fully functioning live business or app in just a few minutes. And here is exactly what it could and couldn't do. This video is a paid partnership with GoDaddy, and honestly, after seeing how one single prompt builds apps, I think it is easily one of the best AI website builders for small business owners who need to move fast. So before we dive into the build, I want to answer a quick few questions that I have been seeing. The first and most obvious question is, what exactly is GoDaddy Airo AI Builder? So it is an AI powered platform that builds full websites and web applications from simple description. And another common question is, how much does it actually cost? Well, you can actually start for free with 50 credits and no credit card is required. So you can just try it right now absolutely for free. Another question is, who is it really best for? Well, it is perfect for entrepreneurs, small business owners, or anyone who wants to turn an idea into a business instantly without a technical background. Another question that most other people ask is, how long does it take? Well, you'll see today that you can have a professional site ready to go in literally just minutes, not days, and not even hours, in literally just few minutes. The biggest problem with starting an online business used to be that technical wall. But GoDaddy Airo AI Builder completely removes that friction. It is an easy and affordable way to create a modern app or website. You just describe what you want in plain words in any language, and AI builds it for you from scratch. We are talking about turning ideas into businesses instantly. And today in this video, I'm going to put that claim to test by building a brand new project right here on camera. Okay, the first step is I will start by heading over to Airo.ai, or you can simply just click on the link in description and just go to Airo.ai, and then you will be on this nice looking landing page. Then you can just sign up absolutely for free. Again, as I mentioned, there is no credit card required, so you do not have to attach any sort of like credit card. You can just like start absolutely for free. Once you're signed up and logged in, this is the interface that you'll see in here. The interface here is incredibly clean. There are no overwhelming menus or like drag and drop grids to start with. It just asks what exactly you want to build. For this demo, I decided to create a professional dashboard and booking site for a consulting business. Also mentioned that interface and aesthetics should be professional. Also make sure to create a contact form and services section. I typed everything in a simple natural language. You can be more specific, you can enter specific details, but in my case, I just pressed enter and now it has started generating this website for me. Now, this is the part that usually takes weeks of back and forth with a designer. But with GoDaddy Airo AI Builder, you can watch your entire online business get created and powered by AI in real time. Now you can see on left side, it has some questions for us. The first question is, what is your consulting business called? So I forgot to enter the name of my business, but here it has like suggested some names as well, but I can enter my own name or I can just like choose any of these names. Then I'll just press enter, and next thing is, what type of consulting do you specialize in? I need to again provide these details. So I think it's technology and digital transformation. So I'll simply just like press on that. The next question is, who are your primary clients? So I think let's just go with C-suite executive and large enterprises. Perfect. So now it has just like gathered some information about our business. We could have provided that from the beginning, but now we can see because we did not provide. So that's why Airo AI Builder is collecting this information from us. Now it is even asking for some visual style as well. So I think let's just go with dark and authoritative. So I'll just go with that. What tone should Apex Advisory's messaging have? Authoritative and precise. Perfect. And that's amazing. So now it's going to build this project for us. Now in just few minutes, the first build is revealed. And honestly, I have to say the layout is really impressive. It looks very professional, very clean, and of course, really high end. So if you want to try this yourself, you can just start free with the 50 credits. And as I mentioned, there is no credit card required. And I have put the link in pinned comment as well. So just make sure that you click on that link and then try it right now. Make sure to subscribe and tell me in comments what you would build using this. Now, what makes this one of the top AI builders on the market is conversational refinement. If the AI generates a version and you want to change the color palette or maybe add testimonials, you don't have to go digging through the settings. You just tell the AI what you want to change and it updates the build immediately. It is an easy to use and beginner friendly AI website builder that actually listens to your feedback. So I was able to generate a functional web application and a backend dashboard all within the same session. You can actually see how a customer would flow through the booking process and how the data shows up in your business dashboard instantly. One of my favorite features is the ability to build on the go. You can actually start a prompt right from your phone while you're out, and the AI works through the queue, so your site is ready when you back to your desk. And for those of you looking for other tools like Replit or Lovable, you should know that GoDaddy Airo AI Builder's starter plan is priced
priced significantly lower than their entry-level paid plans while offering a more streamlined experience for non-developers.
If you already have a website but it looks outdated, you can even paste your existing URL and let the AI rebuild it, or even build from a reference image or screenshot that you upload. And now finally you are ready to publish. Because it is backed by GoDaddy.com, you get professional hosting, security, and even a subdomain included the moment you hit publish. Every build is SEO ready and AU ready right out of the box, meaning your business is actually findable on search engines and AI discovery tools from the day one. Well, my verdict is this is the fastest way to go from idea to business with zero code. And if you're ready to stop dreaming and start launching, this is your sign to take that next step. You can literally get your entire online business from idea to a fully running reality in one place. Just start with the 50 credits, no credit card required. The link is pinned in the comment section. So just go ahead and give it a try, and do not let technical side of the business hold you back anymore. Just go check it out, subscribe, and tell me in the comment section what kind of business you're launching today. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.